Now that we've completed the New Jersey and Virginia plan readings, okay, and we've made the connection to this visual, which is essentially the same information, but in a different form, easier to understand probably, okay, we are able to move on to note taking, okay, and at the bottom we just have a reminder about what this whole back and forth or argument was about, and it's about power. So the example isn't about representation, but really at its core, it's about power and states fighting over that power. Okay, so let's move on to our note taking. So we're going to turn this sheet over and catch up on our notes. You'll notice that I use the same highlighter colors in my reading just to make the connection so you can see exactly where I got this information from. Okay, and then some checking for understanding what's the actual issue. The problem is the large states want representation to depend on population, and the small states want equal representation. So less populated states are not outnumbered by larger states. Being outnumbered would mean they would have no power in the legislature where laws are made. Okay? Then you'll come back and do this at the end. We have a little more notes to add. Let's go to our visual. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the page. It's already glued. And we're going to add a few more notes here. Again, I'm consistently keeping the color scheme the same so you can make the connections. We have the definition of proportional representation there in yellow. And the overall who's benefited by the Virginia plan versus who's disadvantaged. Okay. Then New Jersey plan, same deal, except they support equal representation, 1 vote per state, so no one has more power than anyone else. And overall, this is helping the smaller states keep their voice in Congress. Okay, this plan also wants to make sure government, or the president specifically, doesn't have too much power. And highlighted at the bottom is really what this is about, power. Now that you're done with all these notes, go back to the previous page and complete the ticket out.